Hi, my name is Swagata. Sujata and her fabulous team from ZEBA did the upholstery, curtains, wallpaper, carpet, blinds, and bedding for my house, and I couldn't be happier. They designed each fabric for me in line with our vision of what we wanted our house to look like, and all of it is bespoke. They designed the wallpaper for the guest bedroom, and the same pattern was modified and a fabric created for the lounge chair in the room, which echoes the wallpaper. So this room has a beautiful, cohesive look. The carpet in the living room was designed incorporating all the colors used in various parts of the living room, and it really pulls the whole room together. Every tiny detail was thought through, and the execution was flawless. The team at ZEBA is so creative, and they were also very responsive to my needs and preferences. They would quickly suggest alternatives and cater to my preferences, at the same time also advising me on the various options. The bedding that ZEBA designed for my home isn't just really pretty, it is also very, very comfortable. First, I thought that it is so pretty, I will use my old and regular sheets and comforters and keep these for shows and special occasions. But these are just too comfortable to not use, so I have happily switched. Having ZEBA design and execute everything for me saved me significant time, effort, and also money. I didn't have to run from one fabric store to another to find things that go with each other, because ZEBA customized everything. I wanted blinds embroidered in a particular color. I could choose the thread, the pattern, the size of the embroidery. I feel so spoiled by the experience. I wish other things in life would be as bespoke. Also, everything turned out to be much more cost-effective and great value for money than if I would have to pick and choose and buy everything individually. Thank you so much, ZEBA. Your designs and fabrics and all your little touches have really brought my home to life.